Incremental routines. Did you know that in Supermemo you can open hyperlinks in 3 different ways? Within Supermemo, to the almighty Internet Explorer and your default browser at the same time. That's especially useful. Let me see how it's done and the use case of each. So let's say here I have creaming in food. It's used to refer several ingredients, several different culinary processes. What is poached in milk? What is this? So what I will do is I just click. It's a cooking technique, involves heating foods or mentioning liquids such as water, milk, stock, or wine, and is differentiated from other moist heat because of this and that. Cool. And I move on and I proceed. Perhaps what I want is to actually import it for real. So what I will do in myself is shift click, because I want this to be open in the almighty never dead Internet Explorer. Why do I want that? Because it's very quick to import. I don't have to wait. If I use a Shift F8, I have way too many tabs open in Chrome and different profiles. This takes forever to load. So, especially for Wikipedia that still render with Internet Explorer, I use this method. And that I want to open this on my default browser. First, click, make the HTML component active. Now right click and open in a new window. And this will open using your default browser. For me, it's Chrome. In case you use more than one Chrome profile at the same time, will be the last active profile. The same behavior as Chrome. Nothing out of the ordinary. I could also right click. If I right click like this, without selecting the component, I get the same menu from Internet Explorer. This gibberish is nonsensical. What can you expect from Internet Explorer? So if I click on open, it's the same as just clicking. If I go back, and what I do is opening a new window, it's the same as shift clicking. And if I want to open in the default browser, I first need to click to make it active. Now I no longer have this menu, and I have the component menu, and I have this, the option is the same, but the behavior is different. I get the default browser. So keep that in mind, that you can quickly open links in 3 different ways, that you can save some of your time. Hope this tip has been helpful, and see you incrementally.